guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. So today, you guys, I am going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette again, volume 2 palette. Totally obsessed. I've said this so many times in this video, and if you guys want to see how I came up with this pretty pink, like halo, colorful spring look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're just going to jump right into today's video. As you can see, I have my brows already filled in, I have my eyes prepped and ready, and I'm going to be grabbing my favorite palette, the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, you guys. I am totally obsessed with this palette. I think this palette is absolutely gorgeous, and honestly, the looks are like endless with this palette. As much as I love the first one, I love the second one as well. It's just super colorful, and I'm going to be doing something for spring, so I'm not sure of what I'm doing, but I'm going to be doing something colorful. So if you own this palette, go and grab it, and we're going to do our makeup together, guys. Alright, so jumping into the first shade, I'm going to be grabbing this pretty shade here called Feeling Myself and My Man and Positivity. No, I'm gonna grab No Joke. So mixing these three shades together, let's see what happens. Okay, well, we get a nice light orange. So far, this is pretty. I like that. This is a nice transition shade right here. It's like a really pretty light orangey shade. Look at that. That's pretty. I like that. I'm gonna go into those three again, and we're going to apply that here as well. Instead of something super intense, I mean, those three shades together come up with the perfect transition shade. Like, it's a nice tangerine, right? It looks really pretty. Oh, that's nice. I like that. It looks really pretty. I love it. Okay, so now you guys, we're going to grab another shade. We're going to be going in with, let's go in with Tipsy Girl. Let's see what we come up with. So I'm going to be using the Morphe M506. I'm just going to be blending that right here on the outer V, right here, and then bringing that right into the crease. That's a nice mix. I think that looks really pretty. Okay, we got that going. Alright, so far I think those two look really good together. I'm happy. I'm not disappointed. Alright, so I'm going to be grabbing a, what is this? E18. This is a ColourPop brush. And I guess I'll go in with a little bit of Positivity, which is this shade here. It's like a peachy coral shade. And I'm just going to apply that right next to, what was that shade? Tipsy Girl. I'll apply that right here in the center. Alright, actually, you know what? I think I'm going to grab a little bit more of Tipsy Girl because I feel like I'm losing that shade right here on the outer V as I'm going in with that shade in the center. I feel like I'm losing it. I don't know. Could it be? I've never had an issue before. Alright, so let's see what we do here. I'm going to go back in with that ColourPop brush and continue on with Positivity and move on to the right eye. Maybe I'll do like a halo. So let's see where we go with this. I'm gonna grab a little bit more of Tipsy Girl with that same Morphe M506. I'm going to be applying this right here on the inner corner of the eye, just like that. Let's grab a little more and intensify the inner corner. All right, so again, using that ColourPop brush and Positivity, I'm going to be applying that on the center of the lid. All right, so from what I've noticed, that shade Positivity is a little patchy on my lid. I don't know why, like right in the center, but this one's okay. So it could be that the concealer is messing with it a little bit. I'm not sure why that one looks like that, but we are going to be grabbing, you know what? I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in with Talia with this golden sparkly shade here. It's like a glitter. So I'm going to be grabbing that shade with the MAC 242 and applying that right over that in the center. And maybe that'll help us out a little bit. I don't know. Whoa, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. I actually really like this in the center. That looks pretty. So now we're just gonna go in with that Morphe M506 and we're gonna grab a little bit more of Tipsy Girl and we're just going to blend that in. Make sure there's no harsh edges, just like that. Even though it just kind of messed it up right here on the edge, like where those two shades meet. But maybe I can go in and fix that a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna grab that MAC 242 brush and see if I can fix that. There you go. Perfect. So I fixed it up a little bit. It doesn't look super messy and like choppy. You know what I mean? Like it's perfect. Now it looks way better. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit more of Tipsy Girl and apply that right into the crease here on both sides. But that looks really pretty. It's like a pinky yellow in the crease with the orange and then the golden, you know, in the center of the eye. It looks really pretty. I actually really like that. I'm going to grab the MAC 224, which is the brush that we used to go in with My Man, Feeling Myself, and No Joke. So going in with those three shades again, I'm just going to blend right here in the transition area. So making sure that there are no harsh edges or anything like that. I can't speak, I apologize. But I'm grabbing those three shades, you guys, to just blend and make sure everything looks good. You know, everything looks flawless with the blending and everything, but I actually really like the way this looks. It looks really pretty. All right, so we're gonna stop right there with the eyes. I am going to go in with some lashes off camera. I'm gonna grab my Salon Perfect Wispies, and they are the 614s, and then I'll be right back to finish off the rest of the makeup. All right, guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I finished applying my lashes. These are the Salon Perfect Wispies 614 lashes. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to move on to face primer. I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. I barely have any left. This is such a good primer, and I need to pick up another one. I'm also going to be grabbing the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer to apply on the T-zone area. So a little bit, you know, over here. And then over here. I actually have to pick up one soon. I already hit pan on this. well, almost. You're starting to see like the little indent. Well, there is an indent, but you're starting to see a little bit of the bottom part of the pan. And it kind of sucks because I love this primer. I also like the matte one. The matte one's really good, but I love the original. There's something about this one that I just love, you know? Alrighty. So, for foundation, I'm going to be going in with this one. This is one of my favorite foundations. I always seem to go back to this one. This is the Maybelline 24-hour foundation. This one is in the shade 220. To apply the foundation, I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. sponge, and I'm just going to blend that all over. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with concealer. I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible, and this one is in the shade 365 Cashew. To blend out the concealer, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. sponge as well. To cream bronze, I'm going to go in with this foundation stick. This one is from Wet n Wild. This is the Photo Focus foundation in the shade Almond. And to blend that out, I'm going to be grabbing my Real Techniques contour brush. Grabbing my e.l.f. sponge, I'm just going to go over all of those areas that I cream contoured just to soften up the edges and it doesn't look harsh. I just like a really nice airbrushed finish. So I always do that step, and you guys have, if you guys watched my videos, like all of my videos, you guys see that I do this all the time and it works really well. It just makes everything look super flawless, you know. And now I'm going to go in and set my under eye, which I'm going to be going in with the RCMA powder, of course, and my e.l.f. sponge. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with bronzer. I'm going to go in with this one right here from Wet n Wild. This is an oldie but goodie. This one is the Caramel Toffee. It's so old. Look, you guys, that the cover doesn't, you know, just pop up. It's broken. So I'm going to go in with this side right here. This is like the bronzer side, and this is a banana under eye powder. I'm going to apply that right over that cream contour. Alright, so now that I'm done with that, I actually really love this bronzer. It's so good. I love it so much. I can't believe that I don't use it anymore, but I'm going to start because it's really that good. Alright, you guys, so moving on to highlighter, I'm going to go in with this one from Ofra. This one is in the shade Rodeo Drive. And I'm going to be grabbing my Morphe M510 brush and the highlighter, which is a pretty golden highlighter. I'm going to apply that right here on the high points. Whoa, love that. Look at that highlighter though. I'm going to apply a little bit on the tip of the nose. Cupid's bow, duh. And a little more on the high point right here. My brush is starting to shed again. We don't like that. Ah, we're going to get you out. Okay, so a little bit more on the tip of the nose because we love that. And now we're just going to move right back into the eyeshadow palette. So grabbing, I think I'm going to grab, first let me grab a brush, that would be great. Okay, so this is the Morphe M321. I'm going to be going in with Positivity. Let's go in with Positivity. I'm going to apply that on the lower lash line. All right, so it looks really nice on the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of Tipsy Girl, which is the hot pink here, with the same brush. And that just made it pop more, which is perfect. Let's see if I can go in with the MAC 242 brush and a little bit of Talia right here, that beautiful shade in the center of the eye. I'm going to be applying that right here on the lower lash line in the center. All right, so now that I'm done with the lower lash line, I'm going to be popping a color on the inner corner. You guys already know I love that. I always do it. And today I'm going to be using this one. I've used this one in another video and it's just so pretty. It definitely gives that beautiful pop to the inner corner and I love it. So this one is I'm In It, this one right here. And I'm using a Morphe M560 brush. This is such a gorgeous color. Like, this is everything. Look at that. I feel like this right here just amps up the look. It's such a beautiful inner corner shade. Look at that. Beautiful pop. Pop. It looks so friggin' pretty. Are you guys as obsessed with this palette as I am? Because I can't stop using this. I've done so many looks with it and they're always so different and beautiful, colorful, and just a lot of fun to play with, you know? So now I'm just going to grab a little bit of mascara, which is this one because I can't find my L'Oreal Infallible. Not my L'Oreal Infallible, my L'Oreal, oh, here it is. My L'Oreal Voluminous Original. This one right here is the mascara that I love. I'm going to apply it on the lower lash line, on the lower lashes, I mean. And now for lips, I'm going to be going in with this lip liner right here. This one is from Essence, and this one is in Cute Pink. I'm actually going to go in with Sao Paulo from NYX. This is the matte lip liner. Alright, so I basically used the lip liner to line my lips. I overdrew them a little bit and to fill them in. And now I'm just going to go in with this e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. And now I'm just going to go in and set my face. I'm going to go in with the NYX Bare With Me Prime Set and Refresh. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!